Hello, today I'm going to make Eagle Garuda.
Wait, my hand is tired.
Then, to start, first I cut the eagle from the paper that my dad printed before. This is the part of the body.
There. Like that. You cut the foot, mommy. I cut a square. So I can cut the foot. Look at this. Okay. Yep.
And the feet and the symbols of Pancasila. And I make the wings from Eagle Garuda by my hands on paper.
Thank you for help. Thank you. Yeah, we'll have fun soon.
I'm so hard. I don't have any wings. I cannot fly. Oh no.
And after that, I cut the wings.
My hair.
And then I put double tape for the wings. I stick the symbol Pancasila on Eagle Garuda.
Okay.
Now I put glue all parts of the eagle to stick on cardboard and wait until it's dry.
How do I take it now? This is hand. Two hands. This slowly. So, like this now.
I'm almost done. My mom will cut it and I color it. Now it's finished.
There you go. Now time to follow it. My eagle Garuda is ready. Its name is Eagle Garuda. Sorry, I'm hiccups. Its name is Eagle Garuda. Call it Eagle Garuda. Pancasila.
Satu,
Satu.
ketuhanan yang Maha Esa.
Yang Maha Esa.
Dua,
Dua.
kemanusiaan
Kemanusiaan
yang adil,
yang hadir,
yang adil
yang adil
dan beradab.
dan berada.
Tiga,
Tiga.
persatuan
Persatuan
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Empat,
Empat.
kerakyatan
Kerakyatan
yang dipimpin
yang dipimpin
oleh hikmah,
oleh hikmah,
kebijaksanaan
kebersamaan
dalam
dalam
permusyawaratan, perwakilan.
perwakilan.
Lima,
Lima.
keadilan
Keadilan
sosial
sosial
bagi seluruh
bagi seluruh
rakyat
rakyat
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Let's singing. Satu
Satu
bintang,
dua rantai, tiga pohon beringin,
empat,
kepala banteng,
lima padi dan kapas. One more time. Satu bintang,
dua rantai,
tiga pohon.
beringin, empat kepala banteng, lima padi dan kapas.
That's Pancasila, this one. There.